This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jason Loeb. Amazing opportunity here to own a 100% turnkey home in one of the best locations in Bellingham. This 2-bed 1-bath home was moved to this location in October 2020, and has new foundation, new insulation, new plumbing, modern wiring and windows, completely refinished kitchen, flooring, most all finishes are new, or close to new. This lettered streets charmer comes with a full complement of appliances and is just a few blocks from downtown, parks, coffee shops, the waterfront, and tons more. You only need to bring yourself and some furniture to begin living your best life in Washington's greatest little town. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Loeb at 360-734-7500.